Hi everyone, welcome to Birds Unlimited. Today we're going to go back with Blue and talk about some pros and cons of clipping your bird's wings. So Blue is actually over here in his cage. So let me grab him. Blue, step. Sometimes he doesn't step right away, but that's okay. Alright, so what do clipping wings do? So clipping wings doesn't make it so the bird can't fly unless you cut a lot more of a wing or a lot of wing. So I wouldn't recommend starting too big. Now, as you can already see here in this little cut looking part, that is where we cut. So he'll only fly not that high actually. And that's a good pro because parakeets, and especially Blue, likes going up and hiding in my ceiling fan. It's where I can't get to him for sometimes hours. But Blue is a very good bird, even being clipped. So this is what a bird looks like flying. Blue, go. Sometimes it takes a second, but he goes. So it might lower their flight ability, and it might make them go lower or slower. But the struggle is definitely more real. So when you first get your bird, don't be surprised if they're not already trimmed all the way. But at the same time, be a little bit, cautious about seeing how they trimmed your bird's wings, whoever trimmed them, even if it was just a pet store. Because if they trim too much or even a blood feather, the bird can be in a lot of pain. So if you notice them being very vocal on the first couple of days having them, I would totally recommend you just give them some time. Now, birds especially, he's playing with me. So birds especially are known for their ability to fly, obviously. So when you trim their wings, that can cut the ability to fly down. And that's mostly what people are wanting nowadays with their birds. So we did just trim Blue. It's really easy. You can do it with any pair of sharp scissors that will just get through them. Just make sure that you know how to do it. So I'm going to show you what it looks like after you do it. Okay, so we're here with Blue. And so he did get trimmed. I'm going to let him step onto this hand again. He's biting, he's playing. Okay, so this is their wing. So we cut the first 4 feathers here, and this is just not, these are flight feathers, obviously. There's not big flight feathers. So this is what he used to fly. We cut just 4 down about medium. So if you notice, where we cut here, the other side we actually cut about the exact same width. Now, what do blood feathers look like, and how do I know if I cut one? You know if your bird's being very, very vocal, doesn't want to eat, or even you notice a little bit of blood loss. They probably will not show like big, I have never seen anything when the bird is a little bit lethargic. I mean, obviously anybody who's in pain is going to be a little lethargic. So if they're lethargic, I guess just look for their wings as well as everything else when you clip. So when you look at a bird, what do you think? When you see one that cannot fly at all. When I see a bird that can't fly at all, I either think that it's hurt and somebody cut their blood feathers, or I think that they cut too much, or sometimes even they cut the wing, like not a part of the actual feather, which is really, really dangerous, which is a big con because their little feet, which I'm sure you can kind of see when he steps, their little feet are so close to their wings all the times that it's just kind of funny to see, or it's kind of funny to see their little feet going up by their wings, but it's not funny when you cut their foot off thinking it's a wing, because that happens very typically, actually. So when you think about it, there's a lot of pros, there's a lot of cons. But trimming their wings, how do we do it? Let me go get him and I'll show you. That was a perfect little chirp for you. He does that when he flies very far, and he's like, come on, Mom, come get me. He's actually on the camera right now, which is funny because he should be in front of it. Yeah, there's another little tweet. Hope y'all heard that. So if your parakeet doesn't tweet, that's okay. They're not obviously made to tweet, and they shouldn't tweet all the time. But if they tweet a lot and they're very vocal and you haven't done anything, trim their wings, give them a good inspection. Now, if you see something like just over grooming, that can even be a sign of tweet. He's going to tweet again. Yep. Stop. Stop. So, if you really were to think about it, and you were like, okay, I want to trim my bird's wings, but I'm nervous, but I don't want to take him to the vet. That's okay. I mean, a lot of people are nervous. Even when my dad trims Blue's wings, everybody's a little nervous. Like, oh my gosh, what if there's a hidden blood feather? I mean, I'm very nervous whenever we're doing it. You just kind of have to trust yourself and whoever's doing it. I trusted my dad a lot, and he got Blue all trimmed up, and Blue's perfect now. So, okay. We've talked about the pros, we've talked about the cons. Now, you ask, what do I think about it, right? So, what do I think about trimming? I say trimming's a great idea. And if you're a first-time bird owner and really need to learn how to tame one without them flying all over the place, I think it's a really great idea to cut their feathers. But you have to think about it. When you say trimming or clipping their wings, you're not hurting them, you're not breaking a bone or whatever. Don't think it that way. Think it in a way where you're just trimming their feathers. That's basically what it is. And if you have full access to feathers, somehow, I would recommend using those scissors to cut a feather that is not attached to your bird or not attached to any other bird, just to see what your scissors are going to do to it and if you need to get a sharper pair. And don't be persistent to take your bird to the vet and say, I trimmed his wings a little too short. What do I need to do? Either they'll say leave it, or they'll wrap it up or put some cream on it or whatever. So, we've talked about pros, we've talked about cons. I said I recommended it. There's one more thing we have to talk about. Why is my bird acting so weird after I trimmed his wings? So, if you really were to think about it, clipping their wings is kind of like spaying or neutering them. It just kind of calms their behavior a little bit more than you would think, right? Yes, it does. So, when you trim your bird's wings, if they're a little bit calmer, it's because they're depending on you a little bit more, but they might be a little frightened at first. Just make sure you look to see if they're chirping a lot after trimming, but you notice they're not grooming anywhere on their wing. That could be persistent to a cut or wounds when you trimmed. And don't feel bad if you cut or trimmed a bird for your first time ever and they seem like they got hurt, because I actually have heard of that happening. Like, somebody's like, it's my first time and I feel so bad. I feel like I'm literally making him feel bad. And don't worry about it. If it's your first time owning a bird, let alone trimming a bird, I would not be surprised if a little accident happened. So I will come back with y'all next, probably tomorrow even, and we'll just talk about some reasons why and why not you should clip your bird's wings. Thank you. Bye-bye, guys.